Hey everyone, there is a bad news from Tailwind CSS is that they have laid off 75% of its engineer. Yes, you have heard it right. And this sounds impossible, right? But this is the scary truth of the AI era that they have laid off 75% of its engineer. And here you see that this is the detailed post that they have announced publicly. And Tailwind CSS is more popular than ever, but why they have laid off 75% of engineer? Because AI changed how developers work. Instead of visiting Tailwind CSS docs, here you see that this is their official website, tailwindcss.com, and there they have the beautiful documentation. But nowadays, people ask AI tools like ChatGPT or Copilot to generate the Tailwind code instantly. So no docs visit, no product discovery, no sales. So if you go to their official website, there if you scroll down below, you will find some of the sponsor. Here you see that Cursor, Polar, and Namespace and Nutrient, blah blah blah. There are many companies, and also they have some of the products, and these are the products like here you will see that these are the some prices, like you will get some UI blocks and templates and UI kits. But if there is no website visit, then how will they sell this product? If there is no sales, then there is no revenue, right? So traffic to Tailwind's website dropped, paid products stopped converting, and the business model collapsed. Even though the framework itself is thriving. So this is not just about the tailwind, it is a warning. AI is not just replacing jobs, it is rewriting how companies survive. So are we ready for this future? Ask yourself and learn some new things. I hope that this video is helpful for you guys, and if you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.